Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Sacred Shib. Before purchasing any Shiba Inu coins, watch this video. After its most recent dramatic surge, the Shiba Inu price has been waiting months to find the ideal support level. Shib has unable to establish a solid foothold despite reversing the gains from the most recent rise. Things are improving though, as the meme coin gets ready for a wild move. We'll talk about the holy ship in this video. Before purchasing any Shiba Inu coins, watch this video. Maritime news. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. For more than a month, Shiba Inu's price has been circling above the $0.1118 support level. It held above this level for a while after flipping it on August 5th before starting a 50% surge. Even though the Shiba Inu price reversed these gains, it traded above the sloping trend line and a horizontal support level at $0.1118 over the following few days. Shib, however, broke through this convergence on September 15, signaling the beginning of a decline. If the current pattern holds, Shiba Inu's price will probably drop by 25% and close the efficiency gap between $83 and $93. It will establish the groundwork for a long-term bullish play from a short-term standpoint. However, it would indicate weakness among the bears if the Shiba Inu price reversed course and produced a daily candlestick close above the $0.1118 barrier. The negative view would be invalidated if this barrier were to turn into a level of support. This change can cause the Shiba Inu price to rise to $79 before it should. One of the local tokens of Shiba Inu, called BONE, increased by 20% today to reach a new intraday high of $1.37. Investors swarming drives increased demand for the token, driving up the price of BONE. Shibarium's public beta testnet debut date is getting closer. The testnet launch ought to take place before the end of this month if nothing changes. The token's price rose to a high of $1.77 earlier this week, and it has increased by 87% over the last 30 days. As a result, individuals who bought BONE last month have virtually doubled their portfolios. Since July 2022, the cost of BONEs has been increasing. It took less than a month for it to go from zero to zero. Before the end of the following week, the price of the BONE would probably be $2. Over the past 3 months, the price of BONEs has doubled, providing investors with enormous financial gains. The Shibarium Layer 2 Network's governance token will be called BONE. The Layer 2 network documentation will be available by the end of next week, according to Unification X Fund, the business creating the network. The company revealed that the BONE token has a great use case in the Shiba Inu community because it is used for gas expenses on the Shibarium network. However, no official date has been announced for the start of the Shibarium network. The launch was only recently disclosed by the Shib team. It seems sense that investors are purchasing more BONE tokens in an effort to enter the market before Shibarium launches. Given that the token will be a use case on the Shibarium network, investors think the price of BONEs will keep rising. Therefore, an increase in price would result in higher returns for these investors. Up until the Shib team announces the launch date of the Layer 2 network, but will continue to draw additional buying pressure. The most recent data show that BONE is now trading at $1.37 and has increased 10.9% over the past 24 hours. It is still 91.3% below the $15.50 top price it reached in July 2021, though. The Shib team put a limit on BONE tokens at 230 million earlier this month, stopping further BONE token production. The remaining 220 million of BONE's 250 million maximal supplies are for gas and Shibarium. One of the factors for BONE's price increase last month and ranking as one of the top cryptocurrency gainers that month was the news of exchange listings from validators. The Shiba Inu, a Japanese hunting dog breed, serves as the mascot of Shiba Inu, an altcoin that runs on Ethereum. What would happen if a cryptocurrency project was totally run by its community? This is the simple question that inspired the creation of the project. The cryptocurrency was created by an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community development, according to Ryoshi, its creator. Ryoshi asserts that group decentralization can produce something that is far more potent than what a centralized team might. The Shiba Inu ecosystem was built on the Ethereum blockchain by Ryoshi because it was already safe and well-known, allowing the project to stay decentralized. Shiba Inu was the most talked about cryptocurrency recently, while memcoins saw increases of up to 30% in a single day and a huge run on the market. Shidoshi Kozama, the principal Shibaswap developer, announced on Twitter that he will be talking more about the next Shiba Inu Eternity game. He said he'll be accessible to talk about anything related to the upcoming mobile game on the Shib Discord server. He pleaded with investors not to miss his passionate speech and said that he will interrupt the chat tomorrow at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to address Eternity. I'll halt the conversation to go over Shiba Eternity and all of its ramifications. You won't want to miss my fervent speech in which I share my thoughts on the direction Shib should take. Call Shib. A Shib army. Shitoshi didn't spill anything with this tweet. More information concerning Shib's future. We'll have to wait and keep an eye out for more details on the Shib Discord server. Additionally, the conversation about the Shiba Eternity game is scheduled to take place on Discord on Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Additionally, the Eternity mobile game might be the first to be made available because testing has already begun in Australia and Vietnam. Shibarium's public beta testnet could also be made available this month, according to information posted on Unification X Fund's blog. The remaining projects, on the other hand, probably won't be finished until 2023 or later. David Gokhshtein, the founder of Gokhshtein Media and a former candidate for the U.S. House of Representatives, has praised the Shiba Inu community for starting the burn frenzy in the crypto environment. Gokhshtein claimed that Shib started the entire burn frenzy. Shiba Inu's large maximum supply was cited as the cause of its low price and inability to rebound when the breed fell from its all-time highs of $116 and $0.86, respectively. They forced the team to permit a voluntarily initiated token burn, enabling interested parties to move funds to an irrecoverable wallet. Investors who are concerned think that a decrease in supply would result in a change in pricing. The Shiba Inu community is still counting after burning 60 billion tokens so far. Given the current bad market, it is doubtful that the token burn project will have an immediate effect on Shiba Inu's price. But its impact will be seen in the future. For the time being, Shib's price is more focused on maintaining above the $40 level of support and making up lost territory, up to at least $0.1800. Shiba Inu's price must overcome resistance at the middle limit of the descending channel in order to escape the tight bearish restraints preventing a rebound. However, traders would have to live with the uncertainty of future drops below $0.0100 until the block's IMAP on-chain indicator displays significant seller congestion around $0.0110, which won't happen until Shib pulls above the channel. Prior to this, roughly 11,500 addresses bought 66.62 trillion Shib tokens in the range. Such a strong resistance suggests that the rebound would be constrained as investors sold at their individual break-even positions. Shiba Inu's price, having tagged the floor price, is called into doubt by the absence of strong support zones, necessitating care until a robust breakout takes place. The inventors and developers of Shiba Inu have put a lot of effort into providing token holders with practical utility to increase the coin's appeal. The environment of the Shiba Inu is one of the suggested utilities across the metaverse. In this project, users will be able to purchase land to help them build, expand, or breed their enterprises. The creators think Shibas may be Shiba Inu's chance to shed the joke label and become a significant memecoin. Shiba Inu currently has a market value of more than $13 million. The price could increase to $0.1 in 2 to 3 years, according to analysts, although these escalating price trends will probably start when the Shiba's pre-sale or public launch begins. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.